Let's talk steak. Not just food, but a story of flavor, science, and tradition. Every steak you see sizzling on a grill or resting on a plate carries a unique history, shaped by the animal's life, the choices of the butcher, and the hands of the cook. It's more than just a meal, it's a journey through time, culture, and craft. Why do some steaks melt in your mouth while others are tough? It all comes down to the cut. The difference between a buttery soft filet and a chewy round steak isn't luck. It's science. The way muscle fibers are arranged, how much they've worked, and the amount of fat woven through them all play a role in the final bite. Where your steak comes from on the cow is the secret to its taste and texture. Each section of the animal has its own personality, shaped by movement, diet, and even genetics. Some cuts are prized for their tenderness, others for their deep, beefy flavor. Think of the cow as a city. Some neighborhoods are tough and lean, others are soft and marbled with fat. The hard-working districts, like the legs and shoulders, are built for endurance, resulting in leaner, more robust cuts. Meanwhile, the luxury neighborhoods along the back are pampered, rarely exercised, and rich with delicate marbling. Muscles that work hard, like the legs and shoulders, give us lean, flavorful steaks. These cuts, such as the shank or round, are packed with character and often shine when slow-cooked or marinated. They tell the story of the animal's strength and movement, offering a taste that's bold and satisfying. The back muscles, which do little work, are tender and rich with fat that melts during cooking. Cuts, like ribeye and tenderloin, are the royalty of the steak world, celebrated for their luxurious texture and mouth-watering juiciness. The marbling in these steaks isn't just beautiful, it's the secret to their unforgettable flavor. That fat is the magic, basting the meat from within for juicy, rich bites. As the steak cooks, the marbled fat renders, infusing every fiber with flavor and moisture. It's what gives a great steak its signature: sizzle, aroma, and that irresistible, buttery finish. We're about to tour 16 steak neighborhoods, exploring their origins, textures, and flavors. Each cut has its own story to tell, from the humble chuck to the prize porterhouse. We'll uncover what makes each one special, and how to bring out its best on your plate. By the end, you'll approach any butcher's counter with confidence. You'll know exactly what to ask for, and why. Whether you're after a steak, for a quick weeknight dinner, or a show-stopping centerpiece, you'll have the knowledge to choose the perfect cut for any occasion. Grab your salt, pepper, and pan. We're diving into the world of steak, one cut at a time. From classic grilling to pan-searing and beyond, you'll discover the techniques that make each steak shine. It's not just about cooking. It's about understanding the soul of the steak. We'll learn not just how to cook steak, but why each cut deserves its own method. Some steaks crave a quick sear, others need a gentle braise. By matching the right technique to the right cut, you'll unlock flavors and textures you never knew existed. With a little curiosity, you'll unlock the soul of steak. Ready? Let's get cooking. Scene complete. Meet the king of flavor, the ribeye. This cut is legendary among steak lovers, and for good reason. Its reputation is built on a rich, buttery taste and a melt-in-your-mouth texture that's hard to beat. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting your steak journey, the ribeye is a must-try. Cut from the rib section, this steak is loaded with marbling, or intramuscular fat. That marbling isn't just for looks, it's the secret behind the ribeye's signature juiciness and flavor. Each streak of fat weaves through the meat, promising a tender bite every time. When cooked, that fat melts, basting the meat from within and delivering a juicy, beefy punch with every mouthful. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water as the fat renders and caramelizes, creating a steak that's both succulent and deeply flavorful. High heat is key. Sear it in a hot pan or on a grill for a crusty exterior and tender interior. The goal is to lock in those juices and build a golden brown crust that adds texture and depth. Don't rush this step. Let the steak develop that irresistible sear. Don't fear the fat. It's what makes ribeye unforgettable. That glistening rendered fat is pure flavor, and it's what sets this cut apart from leaner steaks. Embrace it, and you'll be rewarded with a steak that's rich, juicy, and full of character. For the best texture and flavor, aim for medium rare or medium. This allows the fat to fully render while keeping the meat tender and juicy. Slice into it, and you'll see a beautiful pink center surrounded by a flavorful crust. Now let's talk about the tomahawk, a true showstopper. Essentially a ribeye with the long rib bone left intact, the tomahawk is all about drama and presentation. Its massive size and impressive bone make it a centerpiece at any gathering. It's thick, impressive, and perfect for sharing or making a statement. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or celebrating a special occasion, the tomahawk brings a sense of excitement to the table. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. Because of its size, the tomahawk needs a special approach. Use the reverse sear method. Start by slow cooking with indirect heat to gently bring the steak up to temperature, then finish with a blazing hot sear for that perfect crust. This technique ensures even cooking from edge to bone. The result? A steak with a pink juicy center and a golden caramelized crust. Each slice is tender, flavorful, and visually stunning, exactly what you want from a premium cut. Both ribeye and tomahawk are all about bold flavor and show-stopping appeal. They're the stars of any steakhouse menu, and now, you can bring that same wow factor to your own kitchen. If you want steakhouse drama at home, ribeye and tomahawk are your go-tos. They're not just steaks, they're an experience, a celebration of flavor, and a feast for the senses. Next up, the classics. Scene complete. Down the cow's back we find the New York strip, a steakhouse staple, beloved for its balance of tenderness and robust flavor. This cut comes from the short loin, an area that doesn't get much exercise, which means the meat stays relatively tender while still packing a satisfying bite. The New York strip is often the go-to choice for steak lovers who want a classic experience, rich, juicy, and full of character. Its signature fat cap bastes the meat as it cooks, melting slowly and infusing every bite with a deep beefy chew and that unmistakable steakhouse flavor. This layer of fat is what sets the strip apart, creating a mouth-watering aroma and a golden, crispy crust when cooked properly. For best results, sear it hot and fast. Use a cast iron pan or a blazing grill. Scoring the fat cap before cooking helps it render evenly, ensuring the steak stays juicy and flavorful from edge to edge. The strip is firmer than a ribeye, offering a satisfying chew, but it's still tender and reliable. Each slice reveals a beautiful marbling and a texture that holds up well to bold seasonings or sauces. Just beneath the short loin lies the tenderloin, the prized source of filet mignon. This is the most tender steak you can find, thanks to its location deep within the animal, where the muscle does very little work. Filet mignon is renowned for its buttery soft texture, almost melting in your mouth. It's lean, with very little fat, and has a mild, delicate flavor that's perfect for those who prefer subtlety over boldness. Because it's low in fat, it's important not to overcook filet mignon. Rare or medium rare is best to preserve its tenderness and juiciness. Overcooking can make it dry, so keep a close eye on the temperature. To add extra flavor and moisture, many chefs wrap filet mignon in bacon. The bacon not only enhances the taste but also helps keep the steak juicy as it cooks, creating a perfect marriage of textures. So, when you're choosing your steak, think about what you crave. The strip for bold, beefy flavor and a hearty chew, or the filet for unmatched tenderness and a refined, subtle taste. Each offers a unique adventure for your palate, and if you can't decide, why not have both? The Porterhouse and T-Bone steaks combine the best of both worlds, with the strip on one side and the filet on the other. Two legendary cuts in a single steak. Whether you're a fan of flavor, tenderness, or both, there's a perfect steak waiting for you. Scene complete. End of scene. Why pick one steak when you can have two? Enter the T-Bone. One side is New York strip, the other is filet mignon. Two textures, one cut. The bone insulates the meat, keeping it juicy. Grill or broil, but watch the tenderloin side, it cooks faster. The Porterhouse is the T-Bone's bigger sibling, with a larger filet section. It's a steakhouse showstopper, perfect for sharing. Cook with high heat, rest, then slice both sides off the bone for easy serving. Two steaks in one, ultimate steak lover's dream. Now, let's explore the sirloin. Scene complete. Moving to the sirloin. Leaner, more affordable, and full of flavor. Sirloin steaks are versatile grill, pan-sear, or cube for kebabs. They're firmer and less marbled, so don't overcook. Medium is ideal. Marinades help tenderize and boost flavor. The Tri-Tip, a West Coast favorite, is a small, triangular roast with a rich, beefy taste. Grill it whole over indirect heat, then sear for a crust. Slice thinly against the grain for tenderness. Both cuts are perfect for feeding a crowd or weeknight meals. Time for the flavor-packed flat steaks. Scene complete. From the cow's belly come flank and skirt steaks, long, flat, and intensely flavorful. Flank is lean with long muscle fibers. It's chewy, but packed with beefy taste. Cook hot and fast, then slice thinly against the grain for tenderness. Skirt steak from the diaphragm is even more flavorful and soaks up marinades beautifully. Its open grain means it cooks in minutes. High heat is a must. Both are stars in fajitas and stir-fries. Always slice thin and against the grain to maximize tenderness. These cuts deliver big flavor on a budget. Let's reveal the butcher's best-kept secrets. Scene complete. End of scene. Some cuts were once butcher's secrets, like hanger and flat iron. Hanger steak hangs near the diaphragm, tender and deeply beefy with a hint of minerality. Remove the central membrane, marinate, and sear quickly over high heat. Slice against the grain for best results. Flat iron, from the shoulder, is the second most tender steak after filet mignon. It's well marbled, flavorful, and cooks easily on grill or pan. Both cuts offer steakhouse quality at a fraction of the price. Try them for a bold, satisfying steak experience. Now let's find value in unexpected places. Scene complete. The chuck region hides gems like chuck eye and bavette. Chuck eye sits next to the ribeye, similar marbling and flavor, but more affordable. Cook gently or use reverse sear to tenderize connective tissue. Bavette, or flap steak, comes from the bottom sirloin, loose-grained, beefy, and perfect for marinades. Sear hot and fast, then slice thinly against the grain. Both cuts deliver robust flavor and great value, perfect for steak frites or weeknight grilling. Our final stop, steaks from the rump. Scene complete. End of scene. The rump yields lean, flavorful steaks, starting with rump steak. It's firm and beefy. Marinate and cook to medium for best results. Always slice thinly against the grain for tenderness. Picanha, or top sirloin cap, is Brazil's favorite, distinguished by its thick, fat cap. As it cooks, the fat bastes the lean meat, infusing it with flavor. Grill whole or as steaks, always fat side up first. Score the fat for even rendering. Picanha delivers a unique, juicy steak experience. Now you know the story behind every steak. Scene complete.